In this video, I will help you find the best Huawei headphones in 2024. Links to all the products we mention in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. At number 5, we have Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2, best for noise cancellation. When it comes to top-notch noise cancellation in true wireless earbuds, the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2 stand out as a stellar choice for tech enthusiasts and audiophiles alike. The active noise cancellation ANC technology in these earbuds is truly impressive, effectively blocking out external sounds and immersing you in your music or calls. Whether you're in a noisy office, commuting on a train, or just want some peace and quiet at home, the FreeBuds Pro 2 deliver a serene listening experience. The ANC in these earbuds is adaptive, adjusting to your surroundings in real time to provide the best noise cancellation performance possible. This feature ensures that you can enjoy your favorite music or podcast without any distractions. Additionally, the customizable noise cancellation settings allow you to tailor the ANC to suit your preferences and environment, giving you full control over your audio experience. At number 4, we have Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2, best for rich and balanced sound. Immerse yourself in a premium audio experience with the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2, known for their rich and balanced sound profile. These earbuds boast a dual-driver setup that delivers exceptional sound quality across the entire frequency range. Whether you're listening to music, podcasts, or watching movies, the FreeBuds Pro 2 offer a detailed and immersive audio experience that will delight any audiophile. With support for LDAC technology, these earbuds ensure high-resolution audio reproduction, capturing every nuance of your favorite tracks. The dynamic active noise cancellation further enhances your listening experience by effectively blocking out external distractions, allowing you to focus solely on the music. The FreeBuds Pro 2 excel in providing a rich sound signature that emphasizes both lows and highs, creating a well-balanced audio profile that caters to a wide range of music genres. If you appreciate nuanced sound quality and a premium listening experience, the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2 are the perfect choice for you. At number 3, we have Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2, best for call quality. Transitioning from the exceptional sound quality of the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2, let's now explore why they're hailed as the best for call quality. These earbuds excel in delivering crystal-clear voice calls, ensuring that every conversation is crisp and precise. The advanced technology embedded in the FreeBuds Pro 2 actively filters out background noise, allowing your voice to come through with remarkable clarity. Whether you're in a crowded place or a quiet room, the call quality remains consistently high, making these earbuds ideal for staying connected on the go. The dual microphones work seamlessly to capture your voice accurately, enhancing the overall calling experience. With the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2, you can expect unparalleled call quality that sets a new standard for wireless earbuds, ensuring that your communication is always smooth and uninterrupted. At number 2, we have Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2, best for iOS users. For iOS users seeking top-notch audio performance and seamless integration, the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2 stand out as a prime choice. These true wireless earbuds offer a premium listening experience with their dual-driver design and improved active noise cancellation. The sound quality is rich and detailed, providing crisp tones and effective ANC for an immersive audio experience. With support for LDAC for high-resolution audio, these earbuds deliver balanced sound across frequencies, making them ideal for music enthusiasts. The FreeBuds Pro 2 come with customizable noise cancellation settings, touch controls, and a dedicated app for both iOS and Android users. The sleek design, available in blue, silver, and white, adds a touch of style to your listening setup. Despite a slight limitation in battery life, these earbuds provide excellent value for their price, competing well against other high-end options. If you prioritize quality sound, effective noise cancellation, and a seamless iOS experience, the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2 are definitely worth considering. At number 1, we have Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2, best for exercise. When aiming for a dynamic workout experience, the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2 emerge as the ideal companion for exercise enthusiasts. These earbuds offer a secure fit and a lightweight design, making them comfortable to wear during intense workout sessions. With customizable noise cancellation settings and touch controls, you can easily adjust your music and block out distractions while on the move. The earbuds' dual driver setup ensures balanced sound quality across various frequencies, delivering crisp tones and clear voice calls to keep you motivated throughout your exercise routine. Additionally, the improved active noise cancellation feature provides an immersive listening experience, allowing you to focus on your workout without external disturbances. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or practicing yoga, the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2 deliver high-end sound quality and reliable performance, making them a top choice for fitness enthusiasts looking to elevate their exercise sessions.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. You can find the links in the description to all of the products we mentioned in this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.